In this lesson, I will show you how to pan, zoom and rotate for your model. This is very important to learn before you start to create any sketch or part. Otherwise, you will not be able to handle your part inside this graphic window. Let's say you want to zoom in or zoom out. This is very easy in SolidWorks. Just scroll down or scroll up in your mouse. So if I scroll down, in that case, this is going away. But if I scroll up, that means I am pulling. So this is how you can zoom in or zoom out, but your mouse cursor position is very important. Let's say my mouse cursor position is here. Now if I zoom out, you will see this is going away. That's fine. But now if I zoom in, if I scroll up, you will see this model will go away from this window. So that's why where is your mouse, that is very important. Let's say if I want to zoom in this area. So if I hover on this point, now if I zoom in by scrolling up and move my cursor somewhere here, and you will see this will zoom this area because my mouse cursor was on this point. So where is your mouse cursor position, that is important for scrolling up or down. If you want to zoom any area, in that case you have to right click here. From here you can activate this zoom to area. The same option you will find inside this heads up toolbar. If I select it, now let's say I want to zoom this area, and this will directly zoom in this area. So in that case you do not need to scroll down or scroll up. As a beginner user, you will find one problem. Let's say you are trying to zoom in or zoom out and your model is going away from this graphic window, and this is hard for you to bring that model inside this graphic window. The best option is if I press F key in my keyboard, this will come inside my graphic window. Let's say this is very small, I cannot see, I don't understand where is my model. In that case you can also press here, which is same option, zoom to fit. So this will fit my model. But best option is, let's say this is going away from the graphic window. Now I will double click anywhere in the graphic window by middle mouse button, and it will fit inside this graphic window. Now I will show you how to rotate it. If you want to rotate it, it's very easy. Just press and hold middle mouse button in your mouse, then rotate by moving your mouse. So this is how you can rotate it. You can also activate rotate tool by pressing right mouse button key, and from here you can also activate this rotate view. Then now I will show you how to pan it. I will select this pan, and now if I want to pan it, I can pan it. I will press escape key to cancel my pan. Now if you want to pan it, there is another shortcut is available. I will press and hold Ctrl key. Also at the same time I have to press my middle mouse button, then if I move it, I can pan it. This is shortcut. Normally this is the quickest way to pan your model. One more important thing I will mention about rotation. Let's say I want to rotate this part based on this line. You can do that. You have to press one time your middle mouse button after hovering over this line. Let's say when I will hover on this line, next to the cursor we can see there is one line. So I just have to press one time middle mouse button, and you can see this is showing rotational icon, but this is slightly different. Inside the rotational icon there is one dotted line. This means this model will not rotate based on any random line or point. I just locked down this line, so now this part will rotate based on this line. So now if I want to rotate it, I just have to press and hold middle mouse button again. Now when I will rotate it, you can see this is rotating based on that line. I am doing it again. Now I will select this line, press one time. Now this is activated. Now press and hold middle mouse button again. You can do same thing for any point also. Let's say you want to rotate based on any point. So if I select this point, next to the cursor it is showing points. So now I have to press middle mouse button one time, and this is active now. Now if I try to rotate it, it will rotate based on that point. This point is not moving, everything else is moving.